good about this is that it's shaking, but on the film, it like, there's a setting where you can control how much of the shaking you want to stop.
Oh, it'll stop it?
It doesn't shake when I'm like editing
That's
it.
super cool.
Yeah.
That's really cool. Yeah, bring that back a bit. Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Seven, Alpha 3031. RNAV Zulu, runway 29, approaching news. Landing departing runway 29, runway 29. Military missions, multiple trains on the east side of the field along Capital Expressway at below 150 feet, AGL. The fuel island is out of service. Read back all runway assignments and hold for instructions. All departures, ground departure request. Arrival contact tower on 198. Advise initial contact information, Victor. Read information, Victor. 2250 Zulu, 1 calm, Zulu 10, sky clear. Picture 16, 3.7, Alpha 3031. RNAV Zulu, runway 29, approaching news. Landing departing runway 29, runway 29. Military missions, multiple trains on the east side of the field along Capital Expressway at below 150 feet, AGL. The fuel island is out of service. Read back all runway assignments and hold for instructions. All departures, ground departure request. Arrival contact tower on 198. Advise initial contact information, Victor.
Victor.
Read information, Victor. 226459, around complete. 6459, right, taxi, Zulu 1 Yankee 1. You're on right, yeah, Zulu 1 Yankee 16459.
Radio ground, Cessna 421 Charlie Victor, hangar D requesting taxi for downwind departure with information Victor. They're gonna come in this.
421 Charlie Victor, radio ground taxi run up via Zulu.
Run up via Zulu, 1 Charlie Victor. Gonna check my brakes.
Yeah, I'll check mine out there.
Alright. Cool.
Alright, my controls.
Your controls.
Alright, your controls.
My controls.
Your controls.
Left clear, right clear.
Cessna 7 Tango X-ray, use caution for Cessna outbound Gulf Row.
That's us.
We're coming.
There they are.
Ground Bonanza 19 Charlie Alpha is off the right at Delta, taxi row India behind the Cessna.
That's them.
Is that 19 Charlie Alpha, radio to ground,
yeah.
taxi to park via Zulu, good day.
Okay, via Zulu 9 Charlie Alpha, thank you.
They're gonna stop, right?
No, he's not.
Oh, he's going that way. Oh, behind the Cessna.
Yeah, behind that Cessna. He kind of forced himself in there. It's pretty funny.
Okay, let's see how it is. Oh, he owns a hangar. That's pretty cool. How much are hangars here?
Oh, I have a hangar at Livermore.
Oh, really?
It's $440 a month.
A month? Can you like live out of one?
Dude, people do it. No, it's illegal.
It is?
People do it. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
I wouldn't think it's illegal. Like, you own the property, right?
No, you rent it.
Oh.
All these are owned by the city.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, if you're renting it, you're still, like, it's like renting a home, like.
But it's not a home.
But it could be.
It's like renting a storage unit. You can't sleep in a storage unit. People do that, though. Dude, there's videos. Have you seen videos on YouTube of people living in storage units? They got them all built out, dude.
What if they want to, like, okay, storage unit extreme, but like hangars, these are big enough to like make it like some kind of like man cave or something. Like, wouldn't you like that? Like,
well, the
all
issue
your planes
is
in there.
Okay, yeah. Well, legally, all of these hangars have to have a plane registered and airworthy in order to park in them, or else they get misused by people who like put their cars in them because it's cheap rent. So a lot of people, what they do is they don't have planes in them, and some people even live in them, which is just ridiculous.
What if you owned a hangar?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, there's like airports that like have homes on the airports. They're called like air parks.
Thank you.
And there's a hangar, there's a house.
I wouldn't mind that.
And instead of a driveway, it's a taxiway. Yeah, they're pretty cool. I've been to a couple, like Pine Mountain Lake, out in the Sierras.
Oh, yeah.
Cameron Park.
739 Hotel, Carrito View Ground, taxi back to hangar D, via Zulu, good day.
Via Zulu, good day. 739 Hotel.
I was tracking my girlfriend's flight today because she flew to Texas.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
What's she doing in Texas?
Visiting her best friend or something. She, like, the best friend came over for prom last year, so I guess it's like her time.
Her turn?
Yeah.
Do you guys have the week off?
I don't. She does.
She does? Yeah, Sophie has the week off too.
But to be fair, I only go to school 2 days a week.
Yeah, dude, you always have the week off. What are you talking about?
I can't even complain, like.
Reground Cessna 968 Romeo Charlie, run up complete.
Cessna 8 Romeo Charlie, runway 31 right, taxi via Zulu 1 Yankee 1.
31 right, Zulu 1 Yankee 1 for 8 Romeo Charlie.
All pictures, temperature, close. Oh, I want to beat him. I think so. Redo ground, Cessna 421 Charlie Victor, run complete. Come on, come on.
Roger, standby.
Oh, standby 1 Charlie Victor.
This guy ain't even going.
Serious?
Alright, we're going to do right down departure, go to Salinas using the VOR.
He's gonna be like,
what's up?
he's gonna be like,
Follow the Cessna.
follow the Cessna.
Cessna 1 Charlie Victor, follow Cessna off your right, runway 31 right, taxi via Zulu 1 Yankee 1.
Runway 31 via Zulu 1 Yankee 1, follow the Cessna in front of me. 421 Charlie Victor. I hope you're happy.
And I want you to do a soft field takeoff.
Okay. Yeah, I couldn't find the soft field takeoff one in the POH.
They usually don't have them in the POH, yeah.
So it's just like flaps 10, you keep rolling without brakes, right?
Yep.
And then you take off, you stay in ground effect.
Yep. So you go all the way back, take off, get off the ground as quickly as possible.
Is that like 50 or 55?
No, like 40
40?
to get off the ground.
Oh, right. And then you stay.
And then lower the nose and stay in ground effect, because you don't want to fly out of ground effect until you're going a bit faster.
And then at 55 you
And then, yeah,
rotate.
you start pitching up.
Pitching up.
Rotate.
And then positive rate, you put your flaps up?
Yep.
Okay.
You got it. Be like, does that guy have a plane in there? It probably
Doesn't
does.
look like it. Oh yeah, I was looking at the... Made a small little flight plan, but...
Nice.
VOR is 117.3.
Oh, cool. You got the frequency?
Yeah.
Cool.
So I just press nav?
No. So this is nav 1 down here. This is nav 1. This is nav 2. Nav 2. So we're just going to use nav 1. So com 1, nav 1. So we change it right here. But the way we see how this bottom one is highlighted?
Yeah.
That means we can edit this one. So push C/V. So com/VLOC. So if we want to go to VLOC, which is our nav, we push that in, put the frequency in, so now it's in our standby. And then to bring it up to our active, we do the same thing we do with com, but we use the V button.
This one?
Yep. 117.3. And then, yeah.
Interesting.
Hey, who knows? This guy might get 3-1 left.
Yeah, you're right. Maybe. I think he's just waiting it out.
Reed Tower Cessna 968 Romeo Charlie, holding short, 31 right, ready for departure.
Cessna 968 Romeo Charlie, Reed Tower, Roger, standby.
I thought he was going to be like...
No.
After the plane.
Oh.
Cross.
Yeah.
And then I get 3-1 right.
I mean, he's probably going to cross him right now.
Cessna 89 Lima, number 2, full Skylane, 1.5 mile final, runway 31 right, clear for the option.
What?
89 Lima, number 2, runway 31 right, clear for option.
Sky 637, number 2, false Cirrus, approaching 1 mile final, runway 31 left, clear for the option.
It's a Cirrus right there on the
This
left.
is a new guy.
The options will follow Cirrus, 1 mile final, 61637.
This is a new radio guy. I'm bored. This.
What plane do you think touchdowns first? High wing or low wing?
I think low wing.
Yeah, low wing's coming a lot faster.
Yeah.
Cessna 89 Lima, traffic approaching left base for the parallel Cessna.
Looking for traffic, 89 Lima.
Sky 637, traffic 2 mile final for the parallel Cessna.
We'll look for parallel traffic, 61637.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Wait, that's like a...
The Cirrus.
your tower, this is Cirrus 678 Golf Echo over Coyote Creek at 3,900 inbound to land with Victor.
Cool, Cessna.
Cessna 8, Romeo Charlie,
That's
cross
sick.
runway 2 and right, hold short, runway 2 and left.
Cross 0 right, hold short 31 left, 8 Romeo Charlie.
Cirrus 678 Golf Echo, read heavy tower, make straight in, runway 2 and right.
Yeah, hold on, you do.
Cessna 1 Charlie, Victor, cross runway 2 and right, hold short, runway 2 and left.
Cross 131 right, hold short 31 left, 421 Charlie Victor. There's no way.
Runway 2 and right, clear for the option.
Base turn approved.
There's actually no way.
Right, clear for the option, 66459.
Cessna 55231, read tower, are you ready?
55231, yes, 40 short of runway 31 right.
He's getting it? No way.
Wow.
Cessna 231, straight out, runway 3 and right, clear for takeoff.
What?
Runway 31 right, cleared for takeoff, 231.
Okay, you know what? It's fair. I would have done the same thing.
Number 2, false Cessna, turning right base, runway 3 and right, clear to land.
Gotcha,
Golf Echo number 2, 31 right, clear to land.
I think
Cessna 1 Charlie, Victor, departing Cessna is also left downwind, runway 31 left, clear for takeoff.
31 left, clear for takeoff. Will be inside of the traffic in front of us. 1 Charlie Victor.
they'll be inside of them. What? In sight? Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Okay. I would say traffic in sight.
Yeah.
Not will be in sight of.
Kayak 637, traffic, 4 mile final for the parallel Cessna.
Alright, stop field, landing center line. Keep it rolling. Good, full throttle. Pop that nose wheel up.
Cirrus 8 Golf
Good.
Echo, traffic approaching left base for the parallel Cessna.
Alright, pop the nose up, pop the plane up, nose down.
Cessna 89,
Yeah, good.
down on ferry base.
Good. Yep.
Tower Stock 747.
And pitch up.
Tracking the RNAV 31
Very good.
right.
Positive rate. Very speeds align.
Extend down on ferry base.
There we go.
Hold that center line.
Cessna 74737, radio tower.
Other way.
Continue approach runway 2 and right.
Other center line.
Stock 737.
Cessna 231, contact San Jose Tower 124.0.
San Jose Tower 124.0, 55231.
This is a tight turn. I don't like 31 left because of this. So that curve is Charlie, right?
Yeah, the highway.
Okay. I'm going to use my left button on this.
You'll make it. You're fine.
Cessna 89 Lima, number 2, false Cirrus approaching 1 mile.
Oh, it's birds.
31 right, clear for the option.
89 Lima, number 2, runway 31 right, clear for option.
Why does this guy look like he's doing a...
What is he doing? Oh, he's doing traffic pattern?
I know, he said he was doing a left downwind departure.
Attention all aircraft information, whiskey's now current. Wind
That's him, right?
Yeah. Oh, no, no.
No, it's not.
That's him.
Yeah, that's him. Oh, he's high up.
Yeah.
Traffic about a mile ahead of the gates 1,800. That's the direction.
Traffic in sight.
Traffic inside, 1 Charlie Victor.
Victor, roger. Roman Charlie, traffic about a mile
Super
ahead.
static.
To the gates 1,500.
It is static.
Same direction, has you in sight.
How do I... So wait, so what do we do now? Is it just...
We'll wait a second. We'll get outside his airspace.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's that taxiway if you can make it, but there's no way.
That's like impossible.
Oh, I could do it.
I know you can. I know you can.
I'm just playing. I don't know if I could. I mean, I for sure could, but.
What?
I mean, I think you could make it too. Not this time.
This was about Livermore, I think.
Yeah. Like if you touch down right on the piano keys,
yeah.
you could for sure make it. Let's do a lap and try. We'll do a full stop taxiway.
Oh yeah, I'm not making.
Alright, left, right. Good. Nice crosswind. Good job.
Thanks.